Hi everyone, welcome to Alisa Beauty District channel. Today, I'd love to share with you how simple trying to achieve the fake bob in 2 different ways. If your hair is really long, we could just tie it really low at the back and roll all the hair inwards direction like so. Take your time to use hairpin to secure it. Might take a few more pins if your hair are thick like mine. Continue to adjust your length until you are happy with it. Second method, break the bottom part of the hair and roll in towards the head and secure it really tight with pins. Let go of the top part of the hair, divide it into 3 sections and work on the back. Make a simple braids and then again, roll it in. Once you have done, secure it with pins. This way, we will create a lot of volume and it will be great for those of you who has hair with lots of layers. With the remaining left and right side, we will just need to roll inward and secure it with pins. And take your time and adjust this part. Have fun, and it doesn't matter if it's not perfectly equal. Adjust according to your liking. This would be really good for change. Would be really great for casual, easy day as well. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial today. Please thumbs up and subscribe if you don't want to miss out on any of my videos. Have a great day everyone. Bye!